To prevent live transcribe from transcribing profanity within speech on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, you have to enable the setting to hide profanity in the live transcribe setting. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap hearing enhancement. Tap live transcribe. Next, tap open live transcribe. Tap the settings icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. Tap more setting. Scroll down the screen. Tap advanced. And then tap the gray on off switch next to hide profanity until the switch turns blue to turn it on. With this setting, now live transcribe will not transcribe any profanity spoken within a speech. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.